Hello, want to talk about my go-to plants for newly lactating goats here. When a goat gives birth, you give it rest for 2 days. That is, stays back home. Feed it from there. Doesn't come to herd. So which plants do I give it? I usually give them yellow oleander and river tamarind. These plants are readily available in the bush. You can easily spot them. I encourage you to plant them in your homes so that you can easily pluck them and feed them to the newly lactating goats. So these plants boost milk production, they boost immunity of the goats, and also act as medicine. As you know, most of these herbs that goats take are medicine. So if you've not tried those plants out, I highly encourage you to try them out.